10 minus 5 is equals to 5. And here in the parentheses also 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 5 times 0 is just equals to 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay. So in this expression there is one subtraction here, one multiplication, and inside the parentheses there is one subtraction. So according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, and next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parenthesis, it is wrong. So according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis. 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, 10 minus 5 times 0. Therefore, in this expression there is one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction because according to Pemdas, multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply these numbers. Okay, then 5 times 0, which is 0. Then 10 minus 0 is just equals to 10. Okay, this is the final answer of this problem. Therefore, the correct answer of this equation is 10.